Oh! Thing's stuck. Hey! Bit different today, we got Simsy out on his new KTM. His little boys followed us, which ain't worried, but should be alright. He didn't see that. Oh. I'm blaming the throttle. Twice he's left me now. Where's he gone? Let's hunt that pumpkin down. It should be easy to spot. There he is. Yeah, so already he told me his missus said that when he said he wants a KTM, she said, she thinks they should start seeing other men. What's that all about, man? Where's he going? Puppy arms. Then I think when he got the KTM, his missus said, "It's me or the KTM." He spent 2 hours trying to start it. Oh my god, what's that all about? Oh, puppy arms. It's been like 3 minutes. 5 minutes later, he said it's the power. Anyone got any KTM jokes? I got one. Hang on, I'm working on it. I don't know which is worse. Chinese pit bike falling apart or KTM. I saw some stinging nails flapping there and I thought that'd be exhausting. Oh! Wow! Good recovery! Waiting for him. That is completely his throttle, trust me. Ah! Back in. Woo. Oh no. That's what's happening. Oh. Don't like the look of that one. Oh, he's backed out. Are you joking? Quick Johnny Phil. You stopped me! I'm going back down. I was actually doing it pretty well then. I could have made it if he wasn't there, honest. Sharp turn me, eh? Oh. Whoa. I wasn't ready for that. Straight ahead. He's done it, now I've got to do it. Oh yeah. I was just thinking we haven't done this one. Which way's he going? Oh, that's different. I've never done it straight from there. Rubbish technique. Something different. The way he's just rolling so fast away from me. I see like that in it. Oh yeah. He wiped out the front now, I put a leg out. Oh. Yeah. Huh. That one I ain't half my hopes up. No, I'm not gonna go back. Oh my god. Not a chance am I doing that. Just like no. I don't mean, oh. Not a chance. I got further than him though. Let's see if he can do this way. This has got to be the difficult way. Probably just go straight up there now. Oh, he made that look easy. We wanted a bit of drama. Oh, hit me head. No drama. Yeah, fast. I couldn't have turned there, that was close. I think he liked it when I said I got higher than you up that hill. No, that's the first time I've seen someone do that. Okay. No, not a chance. Oh. Alright. I definitely got a bit of improvement to do on that one. Oh yeah. Chainsaw. Stalking my prey. There's a big pumpkin somewhere around here. Little pumpkin. Oh, there he is. Yeah, this way. Oh! Oh! He's off! He's off! Whoa! Whoa! What? Made a meal of that. What? Two-stroke, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, what happened now? I hope you got your camera on, yeah. Looks like the back. Let's see where he's going to correct this. Nice clutch control. Shit. Oh no. Get back up. Oh my god. Wow. Hey, broke there. How am I going to get this out? Oh my. I'm struggling to get my bike out now. Shit. Oh, that's awful. That's pretty lucky. Slid backwards and the bike stopped. I might have to go that way. Anyway, I'll take anyway. Thing's stuck. I can't get it up. Turn the fuel off. Ow. This is awkward. Sapped all my energy now. Oh. Nearly there. Nearly. It's nice to see they've all come to help. Yeah. That's been a fun little session today. I've enjoyed myself. It's great when you got company and you can just rip around together and you start trying different things. And you improve more when you got someone else there. You improve faster than if you was on your own. A lot faster. You learn a lot faster. You can watch someone else do it and learn from that. It's brilliant. And his little boy, well, he's been as good as gold up there. When we've left him, he's just stayed on his own with his bike, ripping around the little short circuit. I've got a bit of footage of him coming off a few times. If you want to have a look, I'll add that at the end. But anyway, thanks for watching, especially as you got this far. Hope you enjoyed. Moto Machines out. Oh, this looks interesting. Dad, Dad. I ain't got the guts. It is a bank. If you've never done a bank, good bit of control, really, wasn't it? You could have easy. Oh, what's happened?
Alright, mate.
Nice one.
Good one.
Just in case.